Welcome to InfoSec Addy, your ultimate hub for cybersecurity awareness and cutting-edge tech insights. In this episode, we're focusing on browser security. Just to be clear, a browser is the tool we use to access the internet, whether on a computer or a mobile device. The most common ones are Safari, Chrome, and Edge. Browsers often come with built-in security settings and features that can help protect your privacy and keep you safe online. If you're on a personal device, it's worth taking a few minutes to explore your browser settings and make a few key adjustments. Here are 5 important settings to look for. 1. Block third-party cookies. 2. Enable Secure DNS. 3. Disable autofill for passwords and payment info. 4. Limit site permissions. 5. Turn on Enhanced Tracking Protection or Strict Privacy Mode. For more cybersecurity awareness videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow infosec.adizero for weekly tips.